So tonight, me is trying something different because I don't want to overwork myself. And I realized during Crisis, and even some of Harley Quinn, but I just didn't say anything about it. But during the last 2 episodes of Crisis, it really hit me at how much I was pushing myself to get every little bit I could into the episode, even though I know that's not possible. I'm going to try something out of just putting in like the highlight parts, because for me, my dumbass thinks it's a good idea to like put in the scenes that have context and put context to a scene that I'm like have an audible reaction to, and it's starting to stack up too much, and I don't know, it started taking a toll on me, especially like with school and stuff. It was just starting to get to weirdly a lot of work, because I put a lot of dumb editing into the reactions that I do, whether it be weird zooms, weird text edits, weird, I don't know, weird tracking, and I don't know. I do it to myself, and I get it, I understand it, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it out for Arrow tonight. If it's all right with y'all, that would be cool, and then we can just figure something out in the long run. I don't know what else I would think of doing, because I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, I'll see you guys. Arrow!
Who the hell are you? Your life's in danger. I'm gonna need you to come with me now.
My night's just getting started. Bye!
Isn't that always the case? I'm having the time of my life. I ain't going. My life might be in danger, but I'm not going. Star City 2040. Ooh. Arrow. Ooh, that fucking logo. That was disgusting. In the good way, I mean. Ooh. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia.
Seeking his 3rd straight term, Mayor Ramirez has declared Star
That's
City
cool.
the
I love this
safest
future
city.
shit.
You scared me.
Oh shit, we're starting off like this?
Queen. Up there.
Dinah? And she's singing? Like Black Canary? Oh shit, I'm with it.
I woke up here. I had no idea how or why. When I got here, I found out that I don't even exist.
I'm sorry. How is that even possible?
I don't know.
Huh?
but there was
Confusion.
Can I just say what an amazing man of honor I'm gonna make at your wedding?
Hey, William.
Zoe, hi! I hope you don't mind me crashing. Never.
Oh, she's... They're all so different. They're like happier.
That's a 2040.
Connor.
I thought you were still in rehab, Connor.
It's a matter of trust fund. You don't want me at your fancy little party.
As long as you
They
didn't-
Just try to get
switched
along.
roles?
I like to find her.
Yeah, I'm calling security.
Oh, I'm sorry to take you out of your bubble, but we really need you.
What is that?
I don't know how to touch myself. Can I try that?
Toward it.
Oh. Oh. Alright, so... It's weird being in a different future. Because... Like... I mean, I understand it, and I'm glad it's different. Everybody seems more happier. It's weird seeing Connor and JJ switch roles. And JJ being married to Mia. What did Diggle do when raising that? What happened? I want to know the lore. I'm already digging this. The style of what they're going with this show. I like the directing that they're doing with it too. Dinah's a fucking singer. I'm not over that. She's getting closer and closer to like comic accurate Black Canary. That's what I like that they were doing in Birds of Prey, that she was a singer. Well, now we got it on Green Arrow and the Canaries apparently, which is fucking great, and I'm with it. Julia is my crush. Probably shouldn't have put that out there, but it's between it from okay. celebrity crushes that are in superhero shows. It always flopped back and forth, but the two that I have right now, I'm exposing myself right now, by the way. It's Chloe Bennett and now Julia Harvey. I'm probably going to regret putting that out there in the future. I'm with this, though. Then fucking Laurel Martian manhunted Mia somehow. What the fuck was that she... I don't know. I'm going to stop asking questions and just listen. Yeah. Oh, ooh, that's not a good thing to remember.
Yeah, I understand that you are torn between two worlds right now, but we need your help.
Look, I don't even know if I can do this anymore. Okay, I haven't trained. I don't.
Ooh, that was fire.
See,
that was fire as fuck.
Just like riding a bike.
I'm sorry, that was so fucking sick. Holy fuck! Ha! The fuck! Nani the fuck! Honestly, surprised at this backdoor pilot so far. I'm honestly really surprised by it. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it because how Mia's character was in Arrow, and the fact that she kind of got a reboot when they remade the Earth. So, in a way, she's like happier, kind of cheerier, but she still has like that old self about her and like fuck it, you know, but like now has that life of happiness that she had, but she now knows how she knew her dad and all that stuff. I don't know, I'm kind of liking the concept of this a lot. Like I said, a lot more than I thought I was. I went from not being really interested in this new show to fucking kind of ready for it. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm really enjoying this, and if I'm in the rare few that is that, I'm sorry, but I kind of like it. From what I'm seeing, I like the directing, the dialogue they have, how the characters are different and how they're probably gonna be different from what they were in Arrow. Diana's not as much of a hard ass and shit. She's more zenned out. Laurel, she's more like on the hero path. She's buddy. She's like not. I mean, I'm pretty sure she's still a dick when she wants to be, like how she was with the Harvard shit. Like, ooh, but I like how her character is, and I feel like I might like Mia how she is now. I'm beyond curious, and I'm ready for it.
I'll do it.
Fine. No offense, Mia, but if I couldn't get in there, do you really think that you're gonna be able to just...
I'll take it from here.
Oh god. Oh, he is he? Is it Connor? Oh god, is it Connor? Are we wrong?
Our honeymoon.
Namaste.
Can I call you crazy now?
Bianca? What the hell?
Namaste.
Okay, let me explain. Jade,
There's some fuckery going on here. I don't like my brain being fucked with. Stop it. I don't like it. I love it though because that means it's good writing and a kind of a good plot thing, but I don't like my brain being the fucked with.
let's go save my friend.
Sure you're ready for this?
Indeed.
One way to find out.
Oh, that looks so good on her. I'm sorry, I'm geeking out. Am I being a simp right now? I could be, but I could honestly give less of a fuck if I am being one. I don't fucking know.
How much more company can we expect? Depends on how fast we move.
This is so good. I
Oh,
love
another
it.
piece of good
All
news.
three of
The
them.
whole place is laced.
The three of you against all of us.
Oh, this is gonna be good. I love seeing Diana with the fucking tick. Fucking sick. Ooh! Ooh! Fuck!
She won't let you.
And who the hell is she?
Who? Say a name, please, for fuck's sake! Ah, don't leave me hanging!
We have to jump. I thought you were trying to save me, not kill me.
Ooh, fucking badass explosion! That actually looks really fucking cool! Yeah! Yeah!
Who are you bitches?
What the fuck? God damn! I'm mad she really said, "Who are you bitches?"
Green Arrow. We should be in the clear, right?
I hope so.
Oh. So y'all are pulling a flash with the future newspaper article, are you now, huh?
Believe it.
Huh?
Hell.
What the fuck? Huh? What? Questions? Fuck. Did they take him because they thought he was Green Arrow? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on?
What do you want?
I need you to remember.
How? What? What the fuck? No. This just got so much more interesting, but also, what the fuck? God, that logo is so fucking cool. What the fuck? And that was an episode of Green Arrow and the Canaries. And after this episode, I would not be mad if this show got picked up, like, fully. Because, fuck, I had a good time with it. And then the setup they had for it was fucking cool. It's just, and then they made everything more comic accurate with certain things. It's just, it seems good, and it seems like it'd be good. Because, I don't know. Also, and this is just my, like, sight of thinking or saying, I don't know what the fuck I'm trying to say, but, like, I think it would be good to have a nice, like, another female-led show, like Batwoman, like, to keep it up going with each other. I don't know. That's just my way of thinking. I think it would be cool. I like all the characters already. But Dinah, Laurel, and Mia, I like them a lot more in this episode than I have in a while. That's a damn lie, because I liked them all in general in the first place. I wasn't sure how I felt about Mia on Arrow, like how she was this season, but this whole like reboot thing with how her character is now that she has like the 2 lives thing going on, and everyone is waking up, and it's just wild. I like her personality in this episode so much. I think Mia is a good character, especially like didn't want to have this burden, but she got it put back on her. I'm still not over the fact that Dinah's a fucking singer now in a bar, like how she's supposed to be in the comics. I fucking love Black Canary. I don't know. I'm next week is the final episode of Arrow. Fuck. Next week's the final episode of Arrow. I'm not ready. I'm gonna be sad. Very sad. But they said she got transported there after Oliver's funeral in 2020. If next week's episode takes place in 2020 again, because this was more of a backdoor pilot compared to it being an episode, but if we do Oliver's funeral thing next episode, I wonder if they'll show her like getting transported or just disappearing, or I don't know. I'm thinking way too much now. I enjoyed this a lot. I loved what Julia did. I love what Katie did. I loved what Kat did. All of them good actors. They did really good this episode, and I can't wait to see what they do next, and I hope they continue with this. I hope it becomes a thing. I said what I had to say. I will see you guys next episode later.